Hey guys, I'm here to do an unboxing for this item I just got and I'm really excited. I got it yesterday, but I haven't gotten a chance to open it, so we're gonna open it together. Let me move. I'm so excited. Oh. Okay. Came with bubble wrap and bubbles. There it goes. Are you guys ready? Oh, can you see it? Ta-da! So this is from Chloe. So I've never really unboxed Chloe's that I've had in the past. So I've had the Chloe Faye medium in the Mati gray color, and that was just so heavy. So I sold it because it was just too heavy for me. But I just saw this one and I was, oh my goodness. So I purchased this half price retail. Oh my gosh. So Sara, I'll put her channel down below, Sara Bell. I literally watched her video like 2 million times trying to figure out if this will suit me and if it's like a good enough size for me, and it's actually better than I expected. I thought it'd be so big that I wouldn't like it because recently I'm more into like mini bags, but it's a good size. So it came with a thick guitar strap. Comes with, so here is the little Chloe authenticity card, but I'm still gonna get it authenticated, of course. Here's the she purchased this at Nordstrom, and so this is the retail price. And I got this for $800 something. Oh my gosh, so cute. Honestly, I think that was a really good deal, guys, because I have been looking like everywhere. If you guys saw my last video, I did just get the Louis Vuitton Nano Noe, so I'm really into like bucket bags right now. So the interior, you have a little leather tab right here. You have a strip of something right there, and then another leather piece on this side. You guys can see that interior right there. So this piece has like some numbers on it. But yeah, oh my gosh, it's so cute. And I was scared to get another Chloe bag because, like I said, the Chloe Faye that I got, it was incredibly annoyingly heavy. It was so heavy I couldn't even fit anything in it. That's how heavy it was. But this isn't really heavy. That's what I was scared of, but no, it's not heavy at all. And you get the little shoulder chain that you can just, I guess, flop on the front like so. Like that. And then let me attach this. And this has some leather bits to it. I don't really know what that's for, but so it's leather, and then this I think is a suede material. It's blue. Look how cute. So let me just put this on. And that's how it looks. Super cute. Unfortunately, this you cannot detach, but maybe you can, like, yeah, you can just hide it in there if you don't like the way it lays. I'm not really digging the way it's laying right now, but yeah, there it is. Let me do some mod shots for you guys, and for reference, I'm 4'11", 5'-ish. This is actually surprisingly really comfortable to wear. So I was thinking that you could hook the straps on this bit right here that says Chloe, but you can't, because when see the interior, if you try to lift it up, it gets a little weird how that is. So no, that's literally just for aesthetics. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time. Please subscribe. Bye.